Oh wow, they're going fast. I gotta catch up. Woo. It's so rocky and like dangerous, especially in Crocs.
Be careful, be careful.
This is exactly why it's awesome and really good to make local friends, because they know all of the chill spots. Hey, what's up guys? So today I am heading about an hour and a half into the mountains with about 6 locals to hit up a waterfall, river, do some cliff diving. It's gonna be fun. Unfortunately, Joanna can't join us today because her RA is kind of flaring up a little bit. Really wanted her to go. But anyways, this should be fun. Okay.
Wow, you look like Iceland.
Yeah.
Wow, oh, I like GoPro. Wow. Total, how much is it?
It's a DJI pops off. And then I have a mic.
Wow, nice. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I got 30 pieces of the kimbap in the water. So I guess I am the passenger now.
Tụi kia tới chưa? A big villa.
Oh, nice.
And they separate room like this.
How long you two live here?
Near 1 year.
Oh, 1 year?
Yes,
Oh.
I get married.
So we were here to pick up Yin's husband, and then we're gonna rendezvous at another point to meet up with like 4 other people. Then we're gonna caravan it up the mountain. So we are on our way to the rendezvous point. Oh wow, they're going fast. I gotta catch up. I am so excited to drive up the mountains. In Thailand, Joanna and I both love driving up the mountains. So this is gonna be my first time doing it here in Vietnam. I wish Joanna was here. So we just picked everybody up and we got 4 bikes. So that's everybody in front of us, 1, 2, and 3. I'm getting like pelted with sand. Oh my God. It's like mini bullets hitting me all over my neck. Such a beautiful day today, oh my God. I was about to say, it smells great out here. All you smell is like trees, and then I got hit in the nose with cigarette smoke. This is definitely for motorbikes. Look how low that is. Holy crap, that is low. First motorbike trip into the mountains in Vietnam. This is so cool. Oh my God, oh, the air is amazing right now. This is exactly why it's awesome and really good to make local friends, because they know all of the chill spots. Oh, we got some cattle. We got some cattle. They are so unbothered by the motorbikes. You could tell they're used to it.
Hey!
Ôi. Woo. Woo.
You know, this is just basic.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you just go up and jump.
Yes. Yes.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
If you need, I can
Oh, it's okay. I'm okay.
Yes.
Thank you. It's so rocky and like dangerous, especially in Crocs. Crocs that where the strap is broken, so I have no support. Okay, here we go. So we have to do this step by step. Putting stuff up here and then climbing up like a monkey. I have to go around that. I am carrying some stuff, and we're just like passing it to each other and then working our way slowly around. Oh, there's the end. Hold on. Coming! Yeah. Bag. Oh, be careful. Whoa!
Be careful, be careful. Yes, yes.
Alright.
Wait. Give me your. Okay, good. Yeah. Woo. Woo. Wow.
So much food. I've never jumped off a cliff like this into the water. It's not like crazy high, but this is my first time ever doing this, so I am a little nervous. The water is like super clear and blue. So more people showed up, but everyone's pretty chill. As we're packing up, we're gonna head back now. The hike back is more sketch. The only way to get down is to like sit and just like crawl. It's definitely like a more of a local chill spot. It's not like packed full of foreigners. I think we're past the most dangerous parts already. Mind you, I think one of the guys has shoes, but everybody else in our crew, flip-flops, Crocs. You know how I could tell we're near civilization? Karaoke. So I kind of have something to admit to you guys about this drive back from the waterfall. I ended up getting very, very emotional, and it wasn't from sadness at all. It was quite the contrary. It was from experiencing pure just happiness and gratefulness, where I just had this huge emotional release. Part of it was because I was reflecting back on how my life was and how it is now. I used to always live in this constant state of fear and anxiety. And you know that whole fight or flight mode thing? I was always in flight, never stood and fought. And now over the past few years, since I met Joanna, things have been changing like a lot. And I'm learning that in order to progress in life and in order to grow, you have to go through those things. You have to experience fear. You have to go through the anxiety. You have to go through moments of uncomfortability. It's almost like lifting weights. Every time you go through any of these things I just mentioned, it's like a rep. And the more you do it, the more you grow and the stronger you get. So there's a lot more I can say right now, but I'm not gonna get into like a 15-20 minute rant. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you haven't seen our Malaysia videos, I will leave the playlist here on the screen. And if you want to see me walk through a crazy storm here in Da Nang through flooded streets, I will leave that video also here on the screen. Thank you so much, you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.